Exterior wall sliding systems. Sliding instead of opening. Such a solution is perfect for small spaces where there's no room for traditional opened leaves. An exterior sliding system is a simple solution for door installation, which does not require reconstruction. All the user needs to do is hang a special rail, its casing, and it's done. This video presents what steps are needed to be done already after fixing the wall casing. If you want to learn how to fix a wall casing, please watch the adjustable door frame installation video. Skip the hinge installation stage because there are no hinges in the sliding system. In order to install a sliding system, the user needs 2 door frame struts, a drill driver, wedges, pads, a hammer, a flat screwdriver, a crosshead screwdriver, a key, a cutting blade, fitting foam, silicone, a short level, a long level. Before assembly and installation of the doors, the user needs to prepare an appropriate substrate to prevent damage. The work begins from unpacking the kit. Note, the package should not be opened with a blade to avoid damaging the product. Read the installation manual after opening the package. Remove the sliding system from the package. Note, for a rail casing with a length of 1900 mm and less, the kit contains 1 piece of rail and 1 piece of angle bar. In the case of wider rail casings, the angle bars and rails need to be put together. The kit also contains bolts, screws, rawl plugs, brackets used to hang the leaf, and the leaf guide. Measure the rail and cut it to the size of the rail casing. Put the assembly angle bar against the rail in a way so that the openings for bolts match, and measure the angle bar to be cut. From each side, the rail should project 76 mm out of the angle bar. Next, cut the excess of the angle bar. Bolt together the elements in several places. Note, the joint of both of the elements should be ultimately located in the milled spots of the rail casing. Assembled construction should be put with its narrow part against the wall and be supported directly on the angle strip of the wall casing from the bottom. Mark spots where openings need to be drilled, 8 to 10 places. These openings will be used and filled with rawl plugs. After drilling the openings, fix the angle bar to the wall using screws. Measure the height of the bumper and cut it to size if there is a need. Unpack the door leaf. Fix brackets which will be used to hang the door on the rail. Measure 120 mm from the edges of the leaf. Brackets should be fixed in a way so that after they are hung, the incision will be located on the side of the door frame. Note, we recommend drilling openings with an appropriate drill bit before fastening the brackets, in accordance with the manual attached to the kit. Screw the bolts into the mechanism so that they are not completely tightened. Hang the leaf on the bolts. Adjust the height of the leaf and its vertical direction by tightening or loosening the bolts. After the elements are optimally adjusted, lock the bolts by tightening the nuts. Adjust the distance between the rail and the wall, depending on whether the wall casing is fixed or whether the leaf has projecting glazing frames. Loosen the nuts on the bolts connecting the angle bar with the rail. Adjust the alignment and tighten the nuts. Set the first brake located in the rail. Fix the guide for the door leaf, which is responsible for the correct movement of the door. Use screws found in the kit to install the guide. Set the second brake located in the rail. Fix the bumper, previously cut to size. Put the rail casing in place and, with usage of provided wood screws, fasten the casing from the bottom of the rail in at least 4 points. The last step is fixing a blanking strip for the bumper.